Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that a farmer plants apple trees in this square pattern. And in order to protect the apple trees against the wind, he plants conifer trees all around the orchard. Here, you see a diagram of this situation, where the apple tree is the dot and the conifer trees are the cross. So let me just zoom in to work on table number 1, where every time when we have one apple tree, which is denoted by the dot, one apple tree, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 conifer trees. So moving on to n equals to 2, where there are 4 apple trees. Then we just need to, all we have to do is to just count the number of conifer trees. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to just write it down on the, then we can focus, 16. So now, for my fourth, n equals to 3, you will notice that this is actually 3 times 3, 9. Okay, and when there's 9 trees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I start to see some form of a pattern coming here already. So this one is simply 4 times 4 to get 16. Okay, and for my conifer trees, if I just plus them out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the next question is for n equals to 5, where the diagram is not given. What could be the number of apple trees? I hope you can see the pattern now. If n equals to 1, 1 square equals to 1, because it is a square. So if notice, if n equals to 2, 2 square equals to 4 apple trees. 3 square, 9 apple tree. 4 square, 16 apple tree. So you can actually see that it is actually 5 square, 25 apple trees. And as we move on to the number of conifer trees, I see a pattern. 8, 16, 24, 32. These are what we call multiples of 8. Yes. So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. And we are done with the table. Let's move on to part B. When looking at the table, right, I would then be able to get my B pretty easily, because for the number when n equals to 6, the number of apple trees is simply equals to 6 square, 36. and the number of conifer trees. 8 times 6, 48. And let's stay focused on the table. Okay, that will help us to solve for part C. Then, what do you think is the nth term for the number of apple trees? When it is 1, it is 1 square. When it is 2, 2 square, 3, 3 square, 4, 4 square, 5, 5 square, 6, 6 square, n. Brilliant! So, therefore, the n term for apple trees is equals to n square. Part D, the last part. When now we have, when n is equals to 1, 8 times 1. When n equals to 2, 8 times 2. When n equals to 3, 8 times 3. 4, 8 times 4. 5, 8 times 5. So 6, 8 times 6. And therefore the n term for conifer trees, 8 times n. Brilliant! And with that, that will be the n term for the number of conifer trees. We have come to the end of this problem solving of this problem. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.